It depends kind of what segment or market that we're talking about on different type of machines. So let's start with just some of the basics, like a top loading, what we call small chassis, residential type style machine. Those are really lighter duty type units that customers would buy for 3 or 4 loads a day. Some rags or mops or some personals would go into it. That's completely different than a true commercial machine that would have different capacities between 20 up to 200 pound capacity washers that are made to last 10, 15, 20 years and can handle operation up to 10, 12, 18 hours a day of continuous operation. So you really need to understand what it is that you're trying to accomplish, what are the load sizes you're trying to get done, what are the production in the day you want. Same can be said for laundromats as to who your customers are and the size of the laundromat and what you're trying to get accomplished. Yes, we've got some really, really good seasoned salespeople that are very professional, and they will really walk customers through what are their needs, what are their budgets, what are they trying to accomplish, facility requirements or limitations of what we can physically put into a building potentially, or what the water lines or electrical could supply without upgrades. We'll walk you through all those concerns and help you get to a point that what are the options that work best for you in trying to achieve your goals.